So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be a very special interesting video because today I'm gonna discuss with everyone a very interesting thing, and this thing is that how I practice the American accent with the environment. Yes guys, as I tell everyone, that morning environment for me is the best environment, because as you can see, people are working, people are doing morning works, all of the birds they are calling, and the sun also are just now rising, and now we are in the railway station and it is a breeze. Okay, so now we are upwards and you can see the environment. Many big trees are there in front of me, and everywhere the trees are surrounded us. That's why, and for several reasons, I like the morning time, because I also can make the videos very freely with the morning time. So guys, now I want to tell everyone, as everyone knows, that I have taken a challenge. This challenge is 1 week for American accent challenge, and in this challenge I have to make every day 2 videos. Okay, 2 videos for the American accent. And now guys, I want to tell that it is the first episode of, no sorry, it is the second episode. It is the second episode of day 3, and it is also gonna great for me. And as everyone knows, that in this challenge I will give everyone a number of new tips and tricks to learn the American accent. If you watch my previous video, then you can understand. At the previous video I gave everyone, I gave everyone in my previous video, I have gave everyone a very beneficial thing, and this thing is that mouth spreading trick. And like, now everyone will be shocked that what is the mouth spreading trick. I want to tell guys that the tip that I gave everyone, with the help of the tip, anyone, it can be anyone, don't matter, doesn't matter how you're speaking, how you can speak, and all of the things, nothing's matter. But if you guys use the trick of spreading your mouth, then guys, you also are gonna pronounce like the Americans. Yes, you listen right, and you don't have to do anything, you don't have to follow any another, like, what's called any tips, another American accent tricks and tricks. No, you just have to practice this for 2 or 3 days, and it will gonna be very helpful for you. So guys, now I am making this video for telling to everyone that how I practice with the environment. And I always tell that environment is also a very big gift from the God to us. If anyone say that no, God doesn't give me anything, I am only one, God doesn't care of me, then I want to tell everyone that you are wrong guys. God gives us a very big precious thing to us, and it is the environment. It is the environment. What we can't do with the environment, everything is hidden in the environment. Now I'm making videos, I am capturing all of the moments of my life, of my developments of English language, and I know there will be one day memorable. Okay, there will be. And now it is also very important thing for us. And now, environment, I made many videos of the environment to learn the English language. But now, how to practice the American accent with the environment, it is a very big question mark. Then I want to tell you a trick. This trick is very simple. Just take anything that comes in front of your face, just take them, and then after taking them, try to make some sentences with those things. Okay, with those things, just try to make some sentences. Now I am making the videos, and now if I want, then I can describe you the tree, I can describe anything. The video is mine, the mind is mine, the work is mine. So guys, that's why I am telling you, just do this, it will be very beneficial. First of all, now the thing that you have to follow, you have to do this practice by spreading your mouth. Okay, this is a very important thing guys. I want to tell that whenever you are gonna practice the American accent, just try to spread your mouth, like just try to spread your mouth and then speak. I also made another video, means the first video of the day 3, and in that video I discussed with everyone what is the mouth spreading practice and how it is gonna help you. So guys, just take any material, any objects, any environmental thing, like the trees you can take, the birds you can take, the sun you can take, and then after taking them, try to make some sentences, like try to express, try to describe the thing, like this tree is very beautiful, this tree is one kind of a bamboo tree, the leaves they are very slim and they are very thin, the bamboos are very big bamboos, they are went very top, and like this type of sentences. Just try to make them. First of all, if you are a real beginner, then you have to make them in your copy. Just take a copy and pen and then write down some sentence, and then after writing them down below, just try to practice them with the help of the American accent. You don't have anything, just spread your mouth like that and now speak. Okay, it will be weird for 2 or 3 days, but it will be covered up after 5 or 6 days. Just first of all, do this type of practice, because guys, try to understand. Whenever we also speak the English language alphabet, then our mouth shape also becomes like this type of mouth shape, like a spreading position. In this position, we also just speak like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and then when we just try to pronounce the English language, all of the sentences, then also our mouth becomes like O, but it is not the right way, guys. Like, if you focus on problems, you have to face more problems, but if you focus on possibilities, you will face more opportunities. No, it is the wrong thing. It is the proper Indian accent, but we are trying to learn the American accent. That's why, guys, spread your mouth like and now speak. If you focus on problems, you'll have more problems, but if you focus on your possibilities, you will have more opportunities. So guys, the simple thing will help you a lot. Just take anything of the environment and then try to speak. Like I am also speaking, I am developing, I am trying to pronouncing the American accent, and it is a great practice for me. So guys, if you want to watch the first episode of day 3, which is means the perfect mouth position to speak, then you can click on this video. It is a very great video. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next. Thank you for watching.